When you encounter the CFTMON.exe unknown hard drive error, it indicates a potential issue with your hard drive or a conflicting third-party application. Before directly addressing a hard drive error with a check disk scan, it is beneficial to first perform an SFC scan and a clean boot. This approach helps identify if a third-party software product installed on your system is the root cause. To perform an SFC scan, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator to open the elevated Command Prompt window. In this elevated window, type the command sfc /sl scan now and press Enter to initiate the SFC scan. This command will scan and attempt to repair corrupted system files. The second solution involves a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. Here, you will find a checkbox labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. Check this box. If any services remain visible, click on Disable All. Then, click Apply, followed by OK. You will then be prompted to restart your computer. Performing a clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs, helping to isolate software conflicts. After completing a clean boot, you can then proceed to perform a check disk scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and open it as Administrator. In the elevated Command Prompt window, type the command chkdsk /slr/sp/slf and press Enter. You may be prompted to press Y and hit Enter again to schedule the scan for the next restart. This scan will check your hard drive for file system errors and attempt to repair them. Another potential solution is to address recent updates. Sometimes, recently installed updates can cause conflicts. To uninstall recent updates, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. On the left-hand side, navigate to the Windows Update tab. In the right pane, select Update History. From the list, click on Uninstall Updates. You should find the latest update listed here. Select it and click on Uninstall to remove it from your system. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.